After completion of the warming up of 4.4 unit, fourth, open your books on page number 147. Unbeatable supermom, Mary Kom. Yes, there had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mangti Kom, the conqueror and comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships in the 2012 Olympics. She became the first Indian women boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Kom was born in Kangthei village, Moyang Langkhai in Churchandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akhma Kom, were tenant farmers who worked in Zoom fields. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Kom recollects had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after a victory in the Manipur State Women Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She is a legend for sure and an idol for all the sportsmen to look up to. Yes, here are some new words from the lesson. Yes, warrior, warrior means lada bhaiya, the fighter. Conquer, conquer means one, conquer means one. Enough, भरपूर, पूरे से, fame, famous, fame means got a fame. Here fame, the past tense is in FAMED. Means identified as, that is called as famed. In Marathi it will be ओळखली जाते. Zoom, you are the students of geography. And so you know the meaning of zoom farming. It is a type of farming. What does it mean? Type of farming is, it is given a shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is the specialty of this farming. Firstly, the part of the forest is cut off. Clearing is made in the forest. Then the process of farming that is done there. It is very laborious thing, and in that zoom type of farming, her parents were laborers. That is zoom. You know the meaning of zoom farming. Humble surrounding. The meaning is given here in the book. Humble surrounding. That is simple and poor condition. Chores means the works at home, washing clothes and utensils, cleaning home, that type of the work, that is called chores. Simultaneously at the same time, wrestler, yes, wrestler, kustigir, wrestling. Eager interest means too much interest. मराठी में से रस असणे, पुष्कळ आवड असणे. Recollect, remember, आठवणे, recollect. Inspire, प्रेरणा देणे. Debit, means first word is given in the book, first public appearance or performance. Performance or appearance. In Marathi, padarpan karne, you know this word in the news of Hindi or Marathi cinema debut. That is padarpan karne. Reinforced means strengthen. Reinforced. Strengthen. A legend. Legend means one who makes history. One who makes history. Means in Marathi, अलौकिक व्यक्ति. Yes, these are some new words in the lesson. Mary Kom. Thank you, friends. We will see it in the second video. Thank you.